I would like to congratulate the whole team of Fazlani Nature's Nest. It's just amazing.
On this Global Wellness Day, to experience wellness, Fazlani's Nature Nest is the right choice.
Just look at us. I mean, we had so much chaos inside, then we came here, we just calmed, we just enjoy the view, it's a beauty of silence, which is we don't experience it all the time.
The breathing change, it is so beautiful. And the best part is the way it is managed, the quality of the rooms, outstanding service, fantastic food, and a lot of food is from their own farms. It's a fabulous experience.
Extremely hospitable people here, really, honestly. I tried the massage, everywhere I go, wherever I go, all these people who are standing there, they're all namaskar and this, that. Very, very hospitable, very hospitable. Honestly, I was highly impressed, really.
The chance to rejuvenate and revitalize is very little, but here the opportunity is effortlessly.
It's amazing and I love it. I'm in love with Fazlani Natures.